Welcome, and for I'm using ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a pattern or any kind of protection on your device if you have one that you might not know the combination to. So if I lock the device, you can see that I do have a pattern here, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't actually know it. And to get started, hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. And once it is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So let's do that right now. And there we go. So from here, you want to select language, so I'm going to stick with English, but if you want to select anything else, all you need to do is use volume keys to navigate and then press power key to confirm it. This will take you to recovery mode, from where you can scroll down again the same way to wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key. Again, let's select yes, delete all user data, power key to confirm it, and it will begin. As you can see, formatting data and then data wipe complete. Once you see that, reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will now continue the process in the background while the device is turning on. Now it will take a little bit longer for the device to actually turn on, but once it has, we should be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.